Good morning, savors. It is, I think, gonna be a sunny day today. We are hoping. I'm looking at clouds here. It's more just a haze than clouds. And gonna head up the gorge today, I think. Take our beach chairs and find a spot in the river and just kind of hang out in the sun, hopefully. But so happy to see your face, so come along with us today. And it's really gonna be a great day. Get to hang out with baby Tanya, and that's the best days when I get to hang out with her. So for our self-love, simple good vibes, good life from Vex King, his tip for the day is awareness of the present. Live now. If you're thinking about the past, you can't relive that. If you're hoping for the future, you can't plan that. You can plan it, but I think just be here right now. We have so enjoyed the back patio or back deck this year during the whole COVID thing, because it's just, we're hanging out, watching the neighbors and their kids and their dogs, and just talking about the future and just really enjoying each other's company. So it's been really great. Well, it's funny because this whole time of COVID just has given us, we were so active before that just really didn't have time. We didn't prioritize time to just chill and relax and just enjoy time with friends and family now. And I think this has really changed the way we're going to approach life too. It's just more time for ourselves and just prioritize. So I'd love to hear your thoughts, what's going on with you, because this is definitely an interesting time, and we are planning for the future and really taking an assessment of how we want to live our lives. So this has been scary, been crazy, but there's some good coming out of it. So here's the garden so far. We'll do a little more in-depth look tomorrow, but things are coming along really well. We'll do a little harvesting on the chard. And the spinach and kale is just rocking. I've gone 2 weeks without harvesting, so I don't know if it's slowed down or I over-harvested, but we'll have a week's worth of greens definitely coming out of there. So we've got flip-flops on, sitting in Stevenson, Washington, just watching the kiteboarders, enjoying the breeze, the sun. Life is good.